Cubeless team, welcome back to Cubeless Food. Please, before we go on, kindly subscribe, like and share this video after watching it. So today we are making a very sumptuous meal. Trust me, you have never made this soup before. This is Egusi and Okro soup, and I bet you it's a banger. You should try it. So it's getting ready. We just want to steam our protein, and in the pot I just added some beef and then a stockfish, some salt, onion and coarsely grinded pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. Now please feel free to fill in the pot with all manner of proteins as much as you can afford. You know that things in the market are very hard right now, so I'm just making do with just what you see here. Now after stirring it, we'll cover it and allow it to steam. After some minutes, guys, it is already steamed, and you could see how it is bringing out some stock by itself. I didn't add any water, so I'm just going to give it a good stir and then add the quantity of water for the soup right now. So this should be enough. At this point, I just give it a little stir again, and then I'm going to cover the pot to allow the whole thing to boil. After some minutes, it has already boiled, and this is what you are looking at, boiling so nicely. And so I'm going to add all the things for the soup. This is a way that I just added, blended away. Remember, we are doing no cubes here, so your natural spices and herbs is the game changer. Yes, you have to know them. Now I'm adding some quantity of red oil for the soup. Let's add some more so we can get the color so enticing and attracting. Yes, so after adding the oil, I just added the grinded egusi. Yes guys, and just after this I'm going to be adding another one that I mixed with water. I did this so that I can have some balls of the egusi formed in the soup after making the soup. So if you don't like having balls of egusi in your soup, then you may need to skip this. Just add everything in the powdery form. At this point, I'm not going to stir anything. I'm just going to cover the pot and allow it to boil, so that at the end of the day I will be able to have enough balls of egusi in the soup. If you turn it at that time, everything was going to, melt right there in the soup. So now after some minutes, it's already boiling. It's already boiled so nicely, and the egusi has formed to, a nice looking and inviting stuff. So I cover it and then come back to add the game changer. This is where this soup begins. This is the banger, guys. There's another method of doing this, which maybe I'm going to do later. So you try this and let me know. You must like it. Have you liked this video already? If no, please kindly give it a thumbs up right now. Consider sharing this video with your friends. Let your friends know this recipe. Go and make it for your husband. Go and make it as a gift to somebody. You will see the Oh my god, you will see the appreciation that you're going to get just for making this soup for somebody. Now after the okra, what I added was hot leaf. Yeah, and then I'm giving it a good stir, and after now I'll just have to allow it to boil for 1 minute, then I'll add the remaining vegetable. So it is 1 minute after I just added some salt to taste. Yeah, remember, no cubes. Now I added some crayfish. You have to use a lot of crayfish when you're doing cubeless. Crayfish is so nice when you have it come out well in your food, in your dishes. Now after stirring, I'm going to just add the last thing we need to complete the soup. Yeah, soup is really boiling so nicely, and guys, my kitchen smells so nicely. So this is the last vegetable that is coming in here, and this is pumpkin leaves. You can do with any vegetable. You can actually, use spinach, but this is the best vegetable to use for egusi and okra. Yeah, you can also use only hot leaf. Yeah, but if you really need that, there's this smooth feeling, smooth texture that this soup gives on your tongue. Man, the okra and this pumpkin leaf, it's a banger. Try it, guys. At this time, the soup is ready, and I just turned off the gas. Yeah, and we are going to serve it right away. Yes, so come, let's dish this beauty. Man, I feel like giving you the soup to eat right away, but I'm sorry, I can't do that right now. So you just try it out for yourself and come back and let me know how it turned out for you. You must surely give a testimony. You must surely give a testimony for this soup. Let us serve our food. Yes, go and eat this thing with fufu. Some bowls of fufu. Yes, go and eat it with some molds and some mounds of fufu. You're gonna enjoy it, guys. Okay, lovely people, this is where we'll call it a day on this episode. Please kindly like, comment, and share this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Support me with your subscription. It is free of charge. It doesn't take anything. Like, comment, and share this video. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you so much, and God bless you. I love you all.